Preview.
Welcome to AI Jumble. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 Web. Where AI powers their WordPress platform. Get ready to discover how AI can revolutionize your website building and hosting experience. With 10 Web, you can generate your website in minutes using their AI website builder. It recreates any website effortlessly, generating content and images with AI. Customize your site with the 10 Web editor based on Elementor, giving you complete control over design. Their hosting solution, powered by Google Cloud, is lightning fast. And the Page Speed Booster optimizes your website for a remarkable 90+ page speed score, improving performance and core web vitals. 10 Web offers two solutions, the AI Website Builder and hosting. AI Website Builder. Build or recreate any website using AI. Customize it with the 10 Web editor. The AI assistant helps write SEO-optimized content and fix errors with Yoast SEO integration. Hosting. Host your website on fully automated hosting for WordPress, powered by Google Cloud. The Page Speed Booster optimizes your website for better performance. Pricing for the AI Website Builder starts at $10 per month, with 3 variations: personal, premium, and agency. The Page Speed Booster pricing starts at $6 per month, with the same 3 variations. 10 Web's automated WordPress platform automates website building and hosting, making it accessible for everyone. Enjoy essential features that simplify website creation and management. In conclusion, 10 Web combines AI with WordPress to simplify website building and hosting. With their AI Website Builder and lightning-fast hosting, you can enjoy automation and superior performance. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to get listed on AI Jumble, and we are more than just a channel. We've created a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, developers, researchers, and industry professionals like you. By subscribing, you become a part of this dynamic community, where you can exchange ideas, share insights, and collaborate on AI projects.